Hello, this is the second devlog of my new game Unriddle. I have made a significant progress and I will show you what I did since the last video. As this is a multiplayer game, I will be testing with 4 clients running at the same time. So, each corner shows you the screen of one client. Before joining a server, you can customize your character, like this. There are 11 parameters that you can change, plus your nickname. Currently, I am using simple shapes for testing purposes. The real models will be added at the last stage of the development. Moreover, I implemented a new localization system. With this, you can change the language and the texts are automatically updated. Before moving on, I want to talk about the first game design document. I have put a link in the description. This is a 2-page document explaining the mechanics that I'm planning to implement. Shortly, this game is a variation of a popular game mode, Murder, from Gary's mod, and this type of games also exist in Roblox. It's a hidden role game where one player, Murderer, tries to murder all the other players secretly. Although I find the concept interesting, I think it's lacking some enjoyable mechanics. So, I decided on creating a similar game by improving upon the previous examples. Now, let me show you the simplest form of the game. I'm also running the server at background. For this game, there must be at least 3 players. So, until more players are connected, you wait in the lobby. And meanwhile, you can move around. For networking, I used a server authoritative model, so all the mechanics are controlled by the server. The client's only job is to render the game state and send some inputs, like where to move. To compensate for the network delay, I do extrapolation to predict the positions of objects, so that the clients render the game state as similar as possible to the server. Now let me connect the other clients. When the required number of players is reached, a new round begins. At the start of each round, the roles of each player is randomly assigned. There are 3 roles: the illusionist, who is a murderer, the detective, and a normal apprentice. There is also a round timer. When this timer finishes, the illusionist wins the game. For now, you can only collect stars. When the illusionist collects 3 stars, he wins the game. The skills are yet to be implemented. When the round finishes, everybody is teleported back to the lobby and all the flow is repeated. For this video, this is all I can show. If you are curious about the game, you can read the design document. But note that the documents may be updated and changed. As I implement the mechanics, I am planning to upload devlogs regularly. So, see you in the next video.